Dr. Shaheen, Unicef country representative, was visited West Pokot to be able to come and see some of the projects. We are partnering with Unicef in the county, and I want to report Unicef is doing quite a lot in West Pokot, especially in the Department of Health, because there are so many programs they are doing on the issues of nutrition and issues of child and mother projects.
We have seen West Pokot County, as the Governor Excellency Governor mentioned, is the most remotest of the county. And we've also seen that incrementally over the past few years, there has been an increase in the positively on the social sector indicators with respect to nutrition, with respect to open defecation villages in the county, with respect to children back to school, also with respect to FGM and child marriages. We've seen an increase, an incremental increase undoubtedly, but we've also seen that there are some challenges that requires partnership, our partnership together with the county administration, but also with our national NGO partnership like the Umoja or the FCAs and the Action Against Hunger and few others who have been working on education, on social protection, on WASH and other areas. Triple threat is one of the key concerns in the county, and we are working together with the DCS in the Ministry of Education.